Good morning, traders. Let's have a look at the price action of Bitcoin. So in my last video, I explained that I was taking a short over here and over here as well, which did play out, and we did have a bit of a consolidation in this 109 zone to 108. We didn't come and take these lows. That's a good and a bad thing, to be honest. The reason for that is we did have a lot of liquidity there, and now we still have a lot of long high leverage liquidity, which is concerning me. Now this pump up that we've seen, we did take some long positions. These are in the VIP group. If you haven't joined, you can join below. The link is in the description. Now what we wanted to see is we want to see a bit more of a pullback, and sometimes BTC doesn't give you that pullback. But let's have a look at where we actually rejected. We were getting rejection at the POC and also the value area low, but we managed to smash through that, and now you can see we are coming back to back test the POC again. Now we've already back tested it once, and we didn't have any good follow through in last night's Asian session. So we could be ranging here for a while, but I think we're going to probably lose this POC to come back and retrace at least to this order block here at 116. Now if we do lose 116, guys, then this was just a fake out basically, but we do have the value area low at 115, so we want to come back here, at least test the 116, possibly. We don't really want to come back to value area low, but if we do, we want to find a good support and a good volume in this range. Ideally, I don't really want to lose 116 if we do come back here for a retracement, for a continuation higher. Now the top of the range is value area high, which is sitting at 190, 120, 192. Now if we can flip that into support, then the road is empty ahead of us for all-time highs. Will we get there? I don't know, because a lot of people are saying, this is October and this is going to be a bullish month and so on. I don't really follow that. I follow what's actually going on. Now we always knew that these levels were going to get hit because of liquidity and because of some other levels, like naked point of control we had up there as well. So I don't really look at what month we're in like everyone else is saying. You just have to follow the liquidity and follow the actual structure of what's going on basically. And this was a little confusing, this zone here, because a lot of people did think that we were going to come down, but I knew that we were going to take longs in this position. We were building longs like crazy for this move up, because you could see a lot of people were trying to short this, so the traders were trapped, and now everyone's trying to long this, and they're trapped. They're going to get trapped. So yeah, we closed our positions off in this zone, looking for a retracement down to 116 for a continuation up, because now that we have we did break the POC and we did attempt to come up, I don't see why we would not come and attack this zone here. Okay, so overall Bitcoin is looking okay, to be honest. Now going on a higher time frame, let's go to a 3-day chart very quickly. On a 3-day chart, we want to see how today's candle really closes. We want to close positive, and like I said, within the next 3 days, if we cannot get above this zone here, the value area high, for a continuation up, then I don't see an all-time high coming just yet. But I do see an all-time high coming, and we could be ranging here for a day or so, a couple of days, have a retracement back up to come back up. If we do get rejected harshly at the value area low, I think we'll come back down to sweep those other liquidity. Now we've got a lot of liquidity being built up and high leverage longs underneath us. So this is something you want to be careful about. So that's all I have for you on Bitcoin. It's a quick update on Bitcoin. And if you do want to get more insight into daily trades on BTC and Ethereum and various other altcoins, you can join the free telegram group down here, and you need to deposit at least $500 into a BYD account, your trading account. The link's in the description here, and you do get a 20% deposit bonus on that. And once you have done this, you can message me, DM me on Telegram, and I'll let you into the actual Telegram group where we do share knowledge, live trade setups on a daily basis. I also have a interesting course coming out very soon, which is a VIP course that is based on order flow and a couple of 4 or 5 strategies that I use on a daily basis. So if you do want to take advantage of that, you need to be the first 10 people will get the course free, and you need to have at least $500 in your BYD account. Give me your UID number and you'll get access to the course free. And yeah, I'll see you on the inside. So just quickly recapping on BTC, if we look at trade setups, current setups, we have to be careful shorting here. As much as I want to short this, I'm not going to short it at the moment. Because this wick hasn't been filled. We can come back easily to come and fill this wick. If we come back to fill this wick, then I don't see why we're not going to come back into this liquidity zone. So at the moment, we are actually bouncing. Look at this. Just look at the accuracy here on this PLC. So we are actually above the PLC. And I just want to see how New York opens to see if we are going to get a stop hunt push up for a continuation down, retrace for a continuation back up. Now guys, if we do actually have the retrace and come back and fill this wick, or if we don't have the retrace and still come back and fill this wick, say if we consolidate here and move up, then we are quite bullish for the next upcoming days, and I would say there's a possibility we could hit all-time highs. Okay, but we need to let price develop. This is a zone we need to see price develop. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Take it, bye.